In this video, I will show you how to create a realistic pillow mockup. Choose Object Selection tool. Select Pillow. Ctrl-J. Import design. Ctrl-T. Enter. Choose Multiply. Create clipping mask. Double-click. Hold Alt key. Duplicate layer. Before and after. Don't forget to like this video, and thank for watching.